Welcome to NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, your weekly pulse on next-gen mobility systems and autonomous machines. Let's get rolling.
This is The Brief on next-gen mobility systems and autonomous machines. You know, the future of autonomy is being forged everywhere right now. I mean, from high-flying policy forums and our own city streets all the way down to the deep seabed. We're going to dive into the global race to regulate air taxis, check in on the expansion and, let's say, growing pains of robotaxis, and cover some pretty huge breakthroughs in autonomous vehicles. Okay, first up, the race for advanced air mobility, or AAM. It's really a battle between U.S. regulation and international demonstration. In the States, you've got Congress pushing the FAA hard on its pilot program for eVTOLs, electric air taxis, to start generating real data for certification. But at the very same time, the Chinese pioneer EHang is already out there showing what's possible, completing the first European urban emergency response flights in Spain. Second, let's talk about what's happening on the ground. Robotaxi expansion is hitting some turbulence. So you have companies like Waymo launching fully autonomous services in new cities like Miami and Dallas, but this was kind of overshadowed by a software recall after their vehicles illegally passed stop school buses 19 times in Austin. It just highlights how tricky it is to navigate those unpredictable edge cases that human drivers, we just handle them. And finally, let's go underwater, where autonomy is taking a massive leap forward in endurance. New autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, are just redefining what persistent means. Get this, the Euro Atlas Greyshark AUV, powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, can operate for an astonishing 16 weeks. That's 4 months straight. It can cover up to 11,000 nautical miles on a single mission. So yeah, from the skies to the deep sea, the autonomous revolution is absolutely accelerating, and it's pushing both regulators and the tech itself to keep up.
This was NexTechie Autonova, The Brief, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.